How are you?
Hi,
Bro, what is the starting price for this?
250.
250 only. Huh?
50.
What is the last price?
250.
Any nice one? Show me. No, not this one. I have this. I got this.
This
I need. Mandala.
Nepali t-shirt. Mandala. Like this.
One hold this camera. Show me.
रे देख रहे वायरल करा देख
How is it, guys? Only 250 Nepali rupees. Yeah, I'll take this one. 250 is fine for Nepali rupees because if I have to convert Indian 250 to Nepali, then it will be more than that because Indian rupee is more higher.